Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to get paid by completing surveys. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. I will show you some more tips and tricks. So please watch the video till the end. And so we don't have to waste any time. First, you have to come on to Play Store. You need one app. Come on to Play Store and search for Rewardy. Rewardy is the app that we use. You can see that the Rewardy ratings here 4.6. So that's a legitimate size, legitimate app. So 100% genuine app. And so after that, come on to Rewardy. First, you have to click. You will be redirected to this page. You have to click on this button right here, on this button. So, and after that, click on start. After that, you will be redirected to this page right here, opening this page. I will skip the video. You will be redirected to this page. So you have 30 coins for signing up and 20 coins for daily reward. I have 50 coins. So invite friends, get 100 coins. So, and complete your profile. I have to complete my profile and full name. I have to complete. Skip the video. After completing my profile, click on this button right here, done. Click on done. So congratulations, so 100 credits received. So okay, so you can see here I have 3 tasks and I have completed 3 tasks. So you have the invite friends, your surveys. So you have to download this app, Large Mobile. You will have to complete these 3 steps to earn 525 coins right here. So that's the way of getting 525 coin. You will have to complete this quiz and earn 10 credits. So TV show, that's the surveys and methods to earn in there, in here. So that's the ways. And for withdraw, come on to this option, and you will have to get 10,000 coins for 10,000 coins or credits for withdrawing $10. So you will have to earn in there, in here, and earn well. So that's 100% legitimate website, no website, not app. So that's the way to earn, and that's the way. So that's the way to earn in Rewardy. So all this for that video, like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.